Baby, you're the one and only. Baby, you've been on my mind. You know you don't have to be lonely. You can come and take my time. Baby, I've been waiting for you. I don't mean to move too fast. I don't wanna be your homie. I just wanna be.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls, Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia. And this video, I actually am taking your request. A lot of you guys were saying, hey, you know, can we please get a wig that, you know, doesn't need the customizations? We don't need to manipulate. I don't have the time for that. And I completely agree. So I went ahead and picked up this unit, which is completely customized. Okay, so you don't even have to wash this unit. All right, but anyways, this unit comes from Xrsbeauty Hair. I'll be sure to link all of their information down below for you guys. As you guys can see, this is their Skin Melt HD lace. So if you want to adhere it down, great, it's going to give you a perfect application, but if you choose not to, that's fine too. The knots in this unit is bleached. It is pre-plucked. It does have the added combs and adjustable straps on the inside, again, if you don't want to adhere it down. With the construction of this unit, it is a 13 by 6, so it's 13 inches ear to ear and 6 inches back, so you're going to get a lot of parting space. And the texture that this does come in is their straight / wet and wavy. And I do have mine in a 16 inch. But anyways guys, this is how the hair comes. I'm not going to do any complex manipulation. Okay, this manipulation is simple, it's not complex, so I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to run a hot comb through hair. So hopefully this isn't doing too much, but I definitely wanted to remove those package bumps that it comes with. Okay, so I can get this hair to look, you know, ready to wear. All right, we don't want to walk around with bumps in our head. Okay. But anyways, I just used my hot comb for that, and now I am opting for a center part. So I'm just going to place a clean part in the middle of the hair. Of course, you can do a side part, you can wear it without a part, whatever you choose to do, sis, go ahead and do it. And no water or foaming wrap mousse for this particular style. I also didn't wash it. We're going to just keep it real. Now I did tweeze a few hairs from the parting space. Hopefully that's not too much, guys. I wanted to clean up that part so that it's nice and straight. And now I'm using my Cara wax stick just to kind of, you know, finish off the style so it looks nice and clean. Again guys, you don't want to use foaming wrap mousse for this particular style because your hair will start to wave up. Okay, but now what I'm going to do is get this hair on. Again, for those of you guys who are interested in the HD Skin Melt Lace, this unit does have it. But if you don't care for that, you will see briefly how it looks without adhering it down. However, I am going to use a melting spray to adhere this particular unit down. However, for those of you guys who are not interested in the HD lace, stay tuned to the end of the video. I do have this same unit without the HD lace, and you can also save some coins with that one. That unit is way more affordable. Okay, but for adhering this unit down, I do like to use my Melt Me Down spray. I do get this from Amazon, guys. I am not a fan of the Got To Be spray. It turns crusty on me every time. So I like to use this as well as a bit of the foaming wrap mousse. However, if you are using the foaming wrap mousse for this particular style, you're going to want to use paper strips to kind of, you know, mold the wig, because if you don't, it's going to start to wave up. Okay, so I am doing a little bit of baby hairs, not much, because again, a lot of you guys don't know how to do that. You want to see it as it comes, so just a minimal amount of baby hairs, guys. You guys will see how that looks after this, but this is how this style does come initially. This is more of an Italian yaki blown out look. Whenever I blow my natural hair out, this is exactly how it looks. It's always super puffy and just gorgeous. Okay, but anyways, what I'm going to do here is use some water and a little bit of diluted down conditioner, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna also use my diffuser just to see if I can get those waves to turn more into voluminous curls, and once I'm done, I'll be right back.
across the world. I see pretty girls everywhere I go. Pretty girl, Rihanna. Pretty girl, Salama. Pretty girl, Sienna. Pretty girl, Tiana. Pretty girl, Manaya.
Okay, so these are how those curls look after blow drying it. As you guys can see, this hair is extremely versatile, so you can definitely wear it wavy, you can wear it a little more on the curlier side, you can wear it blown out, you can even take your flat iron and silk it out and make it bone straight. But guys, look at this lace. As you guys can see, I did melt it down and it is completely transparent. However, I do have like a little piece of the lace sticking up, which is bothering me, but other than that, it is completely see-through. But here are the angles of the hair. As you guys can see, this is where that 16-inch falls on me. I am 5'8", so yeah, it is a nice length and the density is even nicer. But leave a comment down below. Do you prefer the blown outside or the wavy curly look? I love to see your suggestions. So this is how the hair looks fully wet. I'm sorry guys, I didn't have the time to actually diffuse both ends, so I just went ahead and re-wet the opposite side so it matched with the other side, and this is how it looks. Looking at the company's information, they kind of wanted to create something that curls up when you're going swimming. So yeah, if you guys decide to take a dip in a pool, this is how it's going to look when you come out. So I think that's kind of cool, all right? But yeah, guys, this is how those waves look once it is fully wet. Of course, it will be a little more on the voluminous, curlier side if you diffuse it, all right? But for those of you guys who were waiting to see this style in a more affordable form, here it is. This is the same look. Now this is actually in a 14-inch. However, you can definitely get it in a 16. It is available. However, this does not have the HD lace. This is the regular brown lace. So as you guys can see, it's the same similar style. However, a lot more affordable, okay? So again, it does have the 13 by 6 inches of parting space, bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. It just has the normal lace. So guys, if you're interested in this style, they do have both. I think that's pretty cool that they offer more options, okay? But yeah, guys, this unit does come from Xrsbeauty Hair. Leave a comment down below how you plan to wear your unit, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.
This is heaven sent.